everybody, just want to make a quick short video of how I married these two trucks together. The Bug front end with the 1955 Chevy back end to create the Bug truck. On the plate there you can see a couple of the different parts that I printed to customize this. On the table, starting to put parts together. The gray section that you're seeing there is the transition piece from the Chevy 55 to the Bug, playing with some planks for the wood in the bed. Started marrying things together, doing a lot of Bondo work to the fenders. Fenders took the most time really on this. I had to actually cut and slice the 1955 fenders on the back of the bed, as you can see here on the plate, and those were married to the front fenders of the Bug. Had to cut some pieces off of the front of the Bug to get those to fit right, and then a ton of Bondo and filler and sanding over and over for a good solid week to get those where I wanted them. As you can see there, we're starting to finally see the end results. Once we got past all the Bondo and filling, did some primer work, went back, did some more filling, did some more primer, and ended up with the Bug truck. The white walls were done with Plasti Dip paint. I got some red paint for the rims, painted those, and then the aluminum center caps are the bottom of aluminum cans that I cut out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Just wanted to give you guys a short video of what it took to get this guy finished.